Okay, no, you and Daddy are going to open this.
What's the deal with this finger? That's a new thing.
This is Great Grandma. Great Grandma got this for you. All right.
I've never had a collar just kill my neck like that before.
Nicholas!
Open the present.
Can you open your present?
Open your present. Zippy's right here. Zippy's right here. Open it up. Come on.
Good job.
Come on, Daddy. Daddy's helping.
Oh, Nicholas will do it. Nicholas will do it.
Can you open it, Nicholas? What's in there? That's for you.
More. Oh, more. What's it?
What's in there?
No.
Oh, wow.
More. Nicholas, more.
You bring it closer to him so he has more of a grip.
Yeah.
Oh, Nicholas, who's on there?
Oh, boy. Who is this?
Is it Elmo?
Elmo. Where's Bert? Bert.
Bert? Where's Big Bird?
Big Bird.
Grandma, that's beautiful.
Where's Elmo?
That's absolutely beautiful.
Jackie, I'll just take it to my house. That's so cute.
Bert. Ernie. Who's this? Who's this one? Nicholas. Nicholas. Who's this? Is that Ernie?
That is so cool.
Ernie. Where's Ernie?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
Look at that.
It's Sesame Street table from Great Grandma.
Painted that table for Nicholas.
Can you go give Great Grandma a hug?
Give Great Grandma a big kiss.
Give her a big hug and kiss. That's from her.
Thank you for the table. Give her a big kiss and say thank you for the table.
Say thank you, Nicholas. Can you say thank you?
Kiss. Give her a kiss. No, kiss her.
No, Mom, that was thank you.
Thank you.
Sign language.
Yeah, sign language.
All right. Let's go open the rest of the
Yes.